Hi guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best garden rake you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with video. Number 1. Corona GT 3050 Extendable Handle Rake. Corona Clipper Extendable Rake has an extra reach of 1836 inches. It is made of lightweight and robust aluminium for convenient raking. This rake prioritizes your posture, so you do not have to bend every time you perform some garden work. Last but not least, this product made it to the list of the best garden rake for leaves. The extendable feature of this rake is truly a unique and practical feature that makes this rake a hit. Aside from that, it also features a gorgeous carbon dioxide coating to resist rust and chipping. The thick handle is ribbed for a non-slip grip, so you can use it all day as much as you want. A metal ring is also incorporated into the product for easy and safe storage. This product has a manufacturer's limited lifetime warranty. Some of its units are reportedly defective. It is a good thing that it comes with a limited lifetime warranty. PROs. Corona Extendable Rake with extra reach, 18 inches to 36 inches strong. Lightweight aluminium handle adjusts from 18 inches to 32 inches for extra reach. Head is fully heat treated for enhanced durability. Long-lasting coating resists chips and rust. Lightweight and robust, aluminium handle adjusts from 18 to 32 inches. The convenient hanging ring ensures secure storage. The 7-tine head is fully heat treated for durability. Limited lifetime warranty. Cons. Some units are reportedly defective. Number 2. Trggg K102 are the Groundskeeper 2 rake. Yellow. This is one of the best rakes you will ever use. Aside from the fact that it is simple to put together, you can also remove the tines quite easily. You can pull dead grass off the ground effortlessly. It is also great for cleaning your gravel patio. Trggg rake has a practical way of removing leaves from bushes without harming them. It simply allows the green stems to pass between the tines. Yes, it is as simple as that. Aside from that, it may also move sticks, grinder chips, twigs, gravel, and mulch. The unique thing about this product, unlike other flat-tined rakes, is that it has round and stiff tines. That makes it perfect for heavy-duty racking. Overall, it is a fantastic thatch rake that caters to many different uses beyond your imagination. The best part about this product is that you can use it every day and it will still work perfectly. It has a simple mechanism that is easy to wing and understandable. PROs. Not your average rake. Removes leaves from bushes by allowing green stems to pass between tines without harm, and can move sticks, twigs, grinder chips, bark, mulch, and even gravel. The round and stiff tines of the Groundskeeper work differently than the flat, flexible tines of other rakes. 28 steel tines, 55-inch yellow fiberglass handle, 21-inch head. Tines and handle can be purchased separately. Cons. Leaves are jammed in its teeth after use. Number 3. 63-inch adjustable garden leaf rake. A bestseller due to its jack-of-all-trades abilities, the GardenEye 63-inch adjustable garden leaf rake with an expandable head leads the competition. Remember when I said ergonomics matter? This rake is a perfect example of a household that only wants to purchase one for all members and all jobs. It's lightweight, making it ideal for time-intensive tasks. It has an extra 15 inches of length than comparable rakes, making it ideal for households with tall gardeners. Its head can get into areas as small as 7 inches and expand up to 22 inches for scooping up leaves or raking larger areas, like lawns. If you have shrubs or smaller plants with only a foot or less between them, this rake makes the delicate task of raking between them a cinch, without even breaking your stride. Meant to be long-lasting, the entire rake is made from zinc-coated steel. The tines have molded ends. Unlike a lot of the competition, making grasping leaves easier. I become frustrated with other rakes when the metal tines release leaves, forcing me to re-rake an area. This rake's design will help prevent that from happening. It meets all of our criteria. Best yet, it's 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Pros: long handle 63 inches. Expandable telescoping head 7 to 22 inches, effective for large and small areas, lightweight. Great customer service. Cons: tines can be too wide to pick up small leaves. Number 4. Inch adjustable garden leaf rake. If it's a high-end shrub rake you need, they don't get much better than this. A coated aluminium shaft and a tempered steel set of fans make this an extremely strong yet incredibly lightweight tool. The vinyl covering around the handle provides a non-slip grip which is both comfortable and practical in use. Meanwhile, the tines have been designed with extra width to assist raking and incorporate a bi-curved bout to ensure pressure is applied evenly across its reach. Finished in brilliant red, this rake is easy to locate in your garden and will be something you reach out for throughout many years to come. Engineered with premium grade materials, this shrub rake is of the finest quality. The design has been refined by a leading manufacturer for over 90 years, producing a practical solution in terms of both performance and reliability. Pros: very durable product. Lightweight yet has exceptional strength. Produced by a market-leading company formed in the 1920s. Limited lifetime warranty. Cons: more expensive than alternatives. Number 5. Tine steel head shrub rake. If it's a high-end shrub rake you need, they don't get much better than this. A coated aluminium shaft and a tempered steel set of fans make this an extremely strong yet incredibly lightweight tool. The vinyl covering around the handle provides a non-slip grip which is both comfortable and practical in use. Meanwhile, the tines have been designed with extra width to assist raking and incorporate a bi-curved bout to ensure pressure is applied evenly across its reach. Finished in brilliant red, this rake is easy to locate in your garden and will be something you reach out for throughout many years to come. Engineered with premium grade materials, this shrub rake is of the finest quality. The design has been refined by a leading manufacturer for over 90 years, producing a practical solution in terms of both performance and reliability. Pros: very durable product. Lightweight yet has exceptional strength. Produced by a market-leading company formed in the 1920s. Limited lifetime warranty. Cons: more expensive than alternatives. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.